There we go. So we're here at the gates of Warwick, and as you can see, we had a very warm welcome. You know, it's a rainy, cold, miserable day, and they've got the sprinklers on for us. That's epic.
Hi!
Get out of here, spoonfed. And then if you'll also notice, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a truck parked literally behind the gate. They literally think that we are going to storm the gate and try, I don't know, break in? I don't know, but they're freaking out. They're in panic mode for sure. I just got done walking up to the gate, acting as some sort of a little ambassador. They wired me up. They followed me with the camera. I went up there and I talked to them. I said, "Hello, gentlemen. How are you feeling?" They said, "Good." I said, "I'm feeling well myself," because they asked me. And then I immediately asked them to get the governing body out because they've been invited. They said, "Well, they're not available." I said, "Well, that's interesting because we invited them plenty of time in advance."
You live streaming?
Yeah, in live stream.
Hey there.
We gave them plenty of notice to be here. They knew we were coming, but...
Hello, guys.
Hi, guys.
How you doing?
But you're telling me that they're not available? What's that all about? That's weird. It's not like they didn't know we were coming.
It's a pleasure to meet you, man.
So then,
It's a pleasure to meet you.
I went over briefly. I said, if you can just relay a message to the governing body, and that's the 3 problems that we have predominantly with the organization, starting with the
Brilliant. Right, I'm going to go
two-witness
across
rule.
and do an interview.
Thanks, man. Starting with the 2-witness rule, and I broke that down for him. And I said also the blood transfusion policy, if we can get rid of that too, because people are being pressured into refusing life-saving medical treatments because they'll lose the whole social structure if they don't. And I said that leads me to our 3rd and final point, which is the shunning itself. We got to get rid of the shunning policy. If you can do those 3 things, then we won't have a problem with you. And if you could relay that message to the governing body, that would be great. And at that, they pushed a button on one of their fancy computers, and the police showed up within seconds. Like, I was already on my way walking out, which I'm really glad, because the police literally rolled in. Like, I wasn't even halfway out of the driveway there when the police like rolled in, and they looked like they meant business. It was kind of scary, but they didn't give me any problems because they saw me leaving the premises. Yeah, wild experience to say the least. It's just been surreal, and honestly, I couldn't have asked for a better experience. Everything turned out not as I planned or not how I expected, but somehow even better in every way. Yeah, it's been rainy and miserable. The weather's been gross, but I don't know, something just that added to it somehow. Especially because they have no excuse to run the sprinklers on a day like this. I'm glad it was raining, because they'd have no excuse for running the sprinklers otherwise. What a petty move. I walked right through the water, I don't care. But thank you so much to everyone who's supported this whole thing. Thank you so much to everyone who showed up. We had, I want to say we had at least 40. I mean, yeah, we had to have had at least 40 people here, which blows me away, honestly. To make travel plans, to go out of your way, travel far and wide in the rain to come out and support this movement. Unreal. And it wasn't, all we did was go on YouTube and say, "Hey guys, wouldn't it be cool if we showed up at Warwick?" And this happened. All of this happened. Easy. Everyone can do this. Europe, you can do this. It's easy. Australia, you can do this. France, everyone around the world, you can put one of these together and do it. All you got to do is put it out there. Say, "Hey, wouldn't it be cool if we go to Warwick?" Start talking about it. People will jump on board. It'll snowball until you have all this. Live, man.
Yeah. So I just saw Parker and Co. walk up. They, you guys were like ninjas, avoiding the strategically posted anti-riot crowd mechanism they have here. This high-tech sprinkler system.
High tech.
Yeah.
That's pressure. That's like industrial.
Look at the way
sprinklers.
this place is laid out. This is a fortress. that they
It
built
is a
themselves.
fortress. Yeah. Do they have landmines behind that gate? I bet they do.
No, but you know what? They didn't say anything about a drone flying over that.
That's true.
Let's go launch the Air Force.
All right, guys. So, thanks again, everybody. Thank you for coming out, everybody. Thank you so much. Yeah. We got signs.
There's the man.
I'm not the man. You guys are the man. Thank you. Watchtower. Watchtower contamination. What's that? Oh, thanks, man. That's, you know what? We're all doing what we can. Absolutely. Thank you. Australian. Nice. Oh. Thanks, guys. False prophets. Yes, they are.
Just ordinaries? Yeah, I wish I had my binoculars. Look at that.
Nice job, Parker.
Like,
Well
thank
done,
you.
man.
Well, this guy coached me before I went up there, so if I said anything anywhere near coherent, it's his coaching.
You pulled it off, man. All the props go to you on that one, buddy.
Thanks, man. Yeah. Hopefully we got some good footage out of it. So.
I mean, they said not to step foot on the property. They didn't say anything about flying anything over, did they?
No, they didn't. They didn't.
All right, let's just do that. Let's fly it like right over the sprinklers. just right over the.
I propose a literal pissing contest.
What was that?
We're not.
A literal
Do we have
pissing
enough room? The
contest.
overhead here sucks, though. Like,
No, and also the humidity is terrible today. Like, I don't know how that's going to affect the mechanics
I know. And
of the
it's also
celestial
just-
chariot.
I'm not sure. Okay, so do you think you guys out there in the live chat think that we should risk Jehovah's celestial chariot on flying it up to pester the dudes at the security gate?
Well, you know they're all going
You
to
know,
say
they're
yes.
probably watching us live right now anyway. So you guys over there in the security gate, I see you. Hi.
You're waving at them. That's hilarious. Man,
This place is set up like a fortress.
it is.
Look at it.
It's wild. I can't believe this is real life. The sprinklers is what just made my day, though.
You just
I
step
mean-
out of the way of them. That's the perfect.
Hey,
That's so nice. It's like
I
damn. How will we ever recover?
What do we
There's
do?
some sprinklers.
There's
dang.
sprinklers.
Oh no.
We flew all the way from the UK and whatnot, but sprinklers. Oh, time to pack it up.
And apparently they must think that we're going to storm the gate or something because they put extra security over there.
They think we're literally going over the gate.
Well, we are an army.
They think that we're literally going over the gate. Do you
Mentally
guys see?
diseased people.
You guys see that truck that's parked right in front of the gate?
When you come back, there's going to be another wall right in the property.
Yeah, they'll probably up their security, sure.
They'll have like a gun nest out here. like a prison style, lookout tower.
Be on the watch out.
Well, guys, thank you very much. I'm going to probably close the live stream because I'm getting kind of chilly and it's been a long weekend. But thank you so much, everyone. Again, thank you a million times.
Well,
Say it 7 times. You can say it 77 times.
Thank you.
All right, no, go it. Just go it. No. You're being literal. She went really literal with that one. Thanks again, guys. All right, faithful slave. I'm out.
How about let's get the